There's an ancient proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. As a learning and development professional in a fast-moving work environment where teams need to collaborate effectively to succeed, how can you help people rise to the challenge and go further together? Becoming a 5 Behaviors certified practitioner can help you build high-performing teams and create a culture that supports their success. Developed with author Patrick Lencioni, the 5 Behaviors model helps organizations build trust and take their approach to teamwork to the next level. The 5 Behaviors Practitioner Certification course is a 2-week learning experience that combines self-paced learning and live virtual classroom sessions. You'll deepen your knowledge of the 5 Behaviors model, practice facilitation techniques, and strengthen your skills in an engaging and supportive environment. The certification course is powered by Wiley's Online Training Center, your hub for connecting with course content, our education specialists, and your fellow 5 Behaviors practitioners. Once you've successfully completed the course, you'll earn the credential of 5 Behaviors Certified Practitioner, confirming your status as an expert in developing effective teams and transforming organizational culture. Ready to help teams rise together as a certified practitioner of the 5 Behaviors? Start your journey today.